Hey YouTube. Okay, we got another project here. So I have this guy right here. No, it's upside down. So this guy, this wheel hub, this Stemco wheel hub, is still, the oil inside of it is still watery, so it's leaking, and this window is bad. So I was gonna buy another one of these, and I don't remember the model of this, but I found out that you can get these wheel kits. This is the part number for this particular wheel kit or hubcap, and it includes the gasket that goes behind here and the window and a new plug. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. I have my lens down here and my screwdriver is right here. Now this is a Torx bit. Not sure the Torx size. And I do apologize for the mud. It's been raining a bit. So we're just gonna go ahead and take all this off real quick. There's a ton of screws holding this in, but that's okay. We're gonna pull this cover off, and I will, let's see here. You can see it's starting to, it's already loose, so that's good. I have a feeling that when this was overheated, that it screwed up the window, maybe even sealed the, because there's a little vent hole in the center here. You can see this slit right there, and that's either plugged up or something's going on. But the authentic Stemco hubcaps here are gonna be, I see them on eBay for 25 or 30 bucks. You know, and there's cheap clones that are, 14 or 15 bucks. This is obviously a real Stemco unit. So let's just see what we have here. And for once I'm doing now I am holding the camera still. I have not received Joe's package yet at the time of this filming. So but let's just see what this is all about, because I think you just take this off here. There's really no instructions in here. The instructions that are included are, they show you how to replace the wheel seal and the wheel bearing and all of that, and we're not doing that. We're just replacing this window. Let's see here. So I am hoping that we don't have to remove the whole unit here. Okay, got the screws out. There's really no videos on how to do this online. Let's see here. Okay. Yes. Okay, so here is a gasket, and then the window, I think, just pops out. Ooh, it's a little oily. So let me show you what's in the box here, and then we'll probably have to get a mallet. So we have the O-ring, which is this guy right here. Okay. We have the window, the gasket, and the new plug. So let me go get a rubber mallet, and I'm gonna beat this guy. Let me see here. I might be able. Let's pull the old plug out. Let's see if I can just pop the window off. Well, it's cracking, but it's not coming. I don't think it's glued on. I think it may be melted on. So I'm gonna pause the video and try to get this window off, and when I come back I'll show you guys. Alright, so the window has come out. I just used a rubber mallet, and I gently tapped on it just like that, and the window came out. So I'm gonna let this drain, and then once it drains, and also we need to remove the old gasket, which is right here. Although that gasket's probably still good, so I might hang on to that. But we're gonna go ahead and let this drain, and then once it's done draining, then I'll install the new window. Okay, I already wiped the inside surface off and put the gasket on. So we're gonna take our lens. I'll wipe that off. It's all dirty inside already. Okay. There we go, wipe it off. Sticker on. There we go. Just needs to stick out like so. And then I'm gonna grab, I've already got the gasket and the retainer ring here. Now, be sure you line up the gasket and retainer ring with these ribs, not like that. I started doing that a second ago and had to realize, oh, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, get a couple screws started. And when you put your screws back in, you're gonna wanna put them in a crisscross pattern, just like you would do tire lug nuts. I do apologize, but you guys want action shots, so I do apologize if the quality sucks, but you don't have like I said, I haven't received Joe's package yet. Okay, so let me just take the screwdriver and get a couple kind of tightened in. That way this doesn't fall out. These are a Torx head, by the way. I think I mentioned that when I took it apart. There we go. Okay, so I'm going basically in a crisscross pattern here. Just like so. So we're gonna get these all tightened up, and then once they're all in, then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them a little bit more, and I'll pick up in a second. Okay, after you're done putting it together, fill with your favorite oil. You're gonna fill it a little full because as you drive, it's going to all go into the bearing. So that's already started to go down a little bit. I know that the full mark is this mark right here, but as soon as we roll forward and drive it around the lot a little bit, that's gonna go down. So that's gonna pretty much do it. You just wanna drive around a little bit, you know, around the parking lot, wherever you're doing this at, and the oil will seep into the bearing and start going through it, and then and it'll go down. And as it goes down, then you add more. But that's gonna do it. The rest of this I'm gonna throw away because that window is definitely no good. It's a single piece, but I've like wiped it off and it's nasty, so you can tell it's gone to crap. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching.